Hey y'all, Iris here. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be exploring the topic of lunar gardening. I am no expert in this field, but it is something that I find extremely fascinating and I am very excited to give it a try this growing season. The moon absolutely does have an influence on us here on Earth, and the effect it has on our water tables is clear proof of this fact. To me, it makes logical sense that the moon would have an influence on plants too. Again, I'm not an expert. I have been researching, and here's what I've learned so far. It all has to do with the moon's gravitational pull. During the new moon, the water inside of a plant is concentrated in the root system. As the moon begins waxing and increasing in light, lunar gravity starts to pull the water up. During the waxing phase of the moon, we should see abundant leaf growth and plants that are filled with vitality above the ground. During the full moon, the water inside of a plant is concentrated in all of the above ground parts. As the moon starts waning and decreasing in light, the water begins its descent back down into the roots and the cycle repeats. This is not a new age concept, but in fact an ancient one, and many cultures across the world have used lunar moon phase gardening with success for hundreds, if not thousands of years. Based on this diagram, certain tasks in the garden have an optimal time to be done. For example, if we harvest leafy green vegetables when the moon is waxing and the plant's vitality is concentrated in the leaves, it makes sense that the greens would have the most nutrition at that time. The same can be said about root vegetables harvested during the waning phase when the plant's vitality is concentrated in the roots. It also makes sense to sow seeds a few days before the full moon so that after germination occurs, strong root growth is happening and a healthy seedling is established right away. Today is March 2nd, 2023, 3 days before the full moon, and according to lunar gardeners, right now is the optimal time to start some seeds. So whether you love this idea or you're skeptical, spring is almost here and starting some seeds is a great idea regardless of the moon phase. Thank you so much for watching today. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another video.